Alright, y'all. It's 11:58 Pacific Standard Time. In 2 minutes, we're going to be ringing in a new year. In front of you, we have the Linden triple chime mantle clock. You guys wanted this one, and it was a tie between this or the Howard Miller. So I decided to do the Linden. Once that thing strikes, and my phone says 12 a.m., we're going to be setting off some alarms. What do I have? BAM! I've got the Benjamin Electric SWP, the IBM 4030-1, the Faraday 511, the Ademco 10-inch bell, and the Wheelock 34T. So now, all we need to do is wait. 1 minute remaining from 2025. And there goes Linden. Here we go now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 2026! Alright, that was a loud one for no strobes. Welcome to 2026, y'all. That'll be it.